reach down, pinch on the little connector right here, and separate. Using our oxygen sensor tool and an extension with our ratchet, we're going to go ahead and loosen and remove this O2 sensor. Go ahead and spin out the O2 sensor. Go ahead and roll that down inside. And as you thread in your oxygen sensor, you want to go ahead and rotate the wire harness with it as well. You don't want these wires to bind up, get caught, or twist out or break. Once you have that threaded in as far as you can get it by hand, let's go ahead and snug that down. Now there is a crush washer there, so you want to snug that down pretty tight. You release, and we're going to go ahead and run our wire over. I'm going to line this up, reconnect. Here, click into place.